nothing is ever totally easy. It takes getting out of your comfort zone and trusting yourself to do these things. But it's fun because, you know, it gives you a lot of things to do. Okay, let's try some of these up here. I'll have to stand up. Maybe. You know, I am so excited about this video because I've put my art and my stuff in galleries, and I've always tried to think, what can I do? Like, in some of the galleries, galleries are great, and I'm glad I did it for years because you do get to show your art, and it's the first thing you do that says, I'm an artist. You know, you've accomplished something. You can actually show your art, which is really a wonderful feeling. Not really much to make it worth it. But I love the YouTube channel because it gives me a chance to show what I feel like I want to show. I've had websites, I've had blogs, I've had shows, I've had everything, but this is the best because you get to express all of you, all of yourself, you know? What a beautiful thing this internet is. I believe in just living your life like it's gonna go on forever. Say, if you live your life like it's gonna go on forever, you'll do a better job. If you live it like it's all gonna be over tomorrow, or this month, or this year, unless you, I don't know, I guess some people, if they think they're gonna die, they would probably make the most of it. But to me, I like to live like it's gonna be going on a long time so that when I look back on this stuff, it's gonna still be here. It's gonna be worth it. I'm not gonna regret anything. Sometimes when you take on a little project, you look at it and you go, oh my gosh, I could never figure that out. Well, you can't figure it out all at once. Okay, again, we're using the Waverly Ivory chalk paint on this. This will be the last time that we paint this. But it's going to be thorough because I really want the white to glisten with those crystals. And after I get this painted completely, exactly the way I want it, I'm going to bring you back in and we're going to add all the new crystals. Then we'll rehang together. And then we'll have to go find another project, which won't be hard.